Hello students, I am Vaibhav Badkar, biology lecturer, and today's topic is plant physiology. In plants, long distance transport of organic and inorganic substance occur through simple permanent tissue, complex permanent tissue, meristematic tissue, epithelial tissue. Long distance transport take place through xylem, that is for water, and phloem for food, and the answer must be complex permanent tissue because xylem and phloem are complex permanent tissue. Uphill transport is a type of active transport, passive transport, facilitated diffusion, simple diffusion. Uphill means against the gradient. It is against the gradient. Against the gradient. So the answer should be active transport. Third one. What is mandatory in the process of facilitated diffusion? Presence of concentration gradient, a carrier protein, hydrophilic moiety, all of them. See, in facilitated diffusion, concentration gradient is required, carrier protein is also required, and hydrophilic moiety also. So all of them are correct. All of the above is correct answer. Fourth one. Which of the following is responsible for the transport of water and minerals from root to stem, leaf, flower and fruit in rooted plant? Xylem, phloem, either one, both. See, they are asking about water and mineral, and it always water conducting tissue is xylem. Xylem is correct answer. Fifth one. Which of the following pair is selective and specific mode of transport? Selective and specific, passive and active transport, passive and facilitated, facilitated and active, simple diffusion and facilitated diffusion, and the answer is facilitated diffusion and active transport. Moving on to sixth question. Which of the following affects the rate of diffusion? Concentration gradient, yes. Permeability of membrane, that is also true. Temperature and pressure, that is also correct. So all of the above is correct answer. Carrier protein which allows the diffusion of two types of molecules in the same direction. And that is symport. We know that. That is symport. Symport, antiport, both uniports. Symport. Osmosis involves flow of water through a semi-permeable membrane, flow of water without a membrane, flow of solute through a semi-permeable membrane, flow of solute without membrane. Osmosis, flow of water through semi-permeable membrane. A is correct answer. Coming to ninth one. Osmotic pressure is highest in which of the following plant type? Mesophyte, xerophyte, halophyte, hydrophyte. It should be halophyte which grow in salinity, high saline water. So halophyte. 10th one. Phenomenon of plasmolysis can be exploited for causing plasmolysis of microbes in highly salted pickles. Yes, correct. Preventing growth of microbes in jam and jelly. That is also correct. Elimination of weed is correct. So all the three correct. We should go for all of these. Moving on to 11th question. Let us move on to 11th question. If solute particles are added in pure water, its diffusion pressure will be increase, decrease, remain constant, become less than 0. And it is decreased. Correct answer. Diffusion pressure deficit, DPD, is also called as, suction pressure, turgor pressure, osmotic pressure, none of these. And the answer is suction pressure. When solute is mixed, the water potential of a cell, we know that when solute is mixed, water potential decreases. In pure water it is maximum, right? It is maximum. But when solute is added, it should decrease. So increases, decreases, first increase and then decrease, no change. So decreases is correct one. When a cell is fully turgid, which of the following will be 0? Osmotic pressure, turgor pressure, wall pressure, suction pressure. When cell is fully turgid, answer is suction pressure. 15th. What is the value of DPD? Here is the formula, and we know the correct formula for this is 16th one. In photosynthesis, the light independent reaction take place. Light independent reaction. Sometimes we call it as dark reaction. Photosystem 2, stomatal matrix, thylakoid lumen, photosystem 1. And the correct answer is stomatal matrix. We should remember dark reaction or light independent reaction. It is also called as Kelvin cycle. It takes place in stromal matrix.